In this video, you'll learn how to search your chats in Claude AI so you can quickly find past conversations without scrolling endlessly. We'll go step by step through exactly what you need to click and what you'll see on the screen, and I'll share some simple tips to make your searches more effective as you go. First, let's get oriented on the main Claude AI dashboard. When you open Claude, you'll see your primary workspace, where you usually type your prompts and read responses. On the left-hand side of this screen, there's a sidebar. This is where you'll access your past conversations. Look toward the upper part of that left sidebar for an option labeled either Chats or History. Depending on the version or layout you're using, it may show as a small icon with a list or a tab titled History or Chats. Go ahead and click that. Once you do, your list of previous conversations will appear in the sidebar, usually displayed with the most recent chats at the top. Now that you're looking at your conversation list, focus on the very top of that area. You should see a clearly visible search bar sitting above all of your chats. This is the search field that lets you quickly filter and locate specific conversations based on what was discussed. Click once inside that search bar to activate it. You'll see your cursor appear, ready for you to type. Here is where you'll enter a keyword related to the chat you want to find. For example, if you previously asked Claude about marketing strategy, you might simply type marketing, or if you remember a specific phrase, type a distinctive word from that phrase. As you start typing, Claude will begin filtering your conversation list in real time. You'll notice that the list of chats below the search bar shrinks or updates to show only the conversations that contain your keyword, either in the title or in the chat content. This means you don't need to hit an extra search button. Just typing your term is usually enough to run the search. Try to be as specific as you reasonably can. A general word like plan might bring up many results, while something more targeted like project launch plan will narrow things down more effectively. If your first term brings up too many conversations, adjust your keyword and try again with something more precise. Once you see the conversation you're looking for in the filtered list, simply click on it. The full chat will open in the main area of the screen exactly as it appeared when you last left it. From here, you can scroll through the previous messages, copy helpful parts, or continue the conversation right where you stopped. If the first search doesn't show what you need, just clear the text in the search bar and type a new keyword. You can repeat this as often as you like until you find the right conversation. That's all there is to it. You locate the sidebar, open your chats or history, use the search bar at the top, type in a relevant keyword, and then select the conversation you want from the filtered results. With this simple workflow, you can keep your work organized and quickly return to important ideas, answers, and projects you've discussed with Claude.